assuming that you've won, what will be the first thing that you're going to do as the new president?
First thing that I would do as the new president is to get rid of POSA, get rid of AIPA, get rid of all these ridiculous laws in our books that criminalize citizenship.
They be advantageous to you once you're in power?
Why would they be advantageous to me? Because really, to be honest with you, the only thing that's advantageous to any Zimbabwean is a functioning economy where Zimbabwe's children are giving their all. Look, I want people to have, you know, I was in a European country recently, and, you know, when I got there, it was balmy, it was raining, you know, the weather was really, really miserable. But as I was on the train going to this place where I was going to meet someone, I couldn't help but marvel that, you know, these people, in spite of the bad weather and everything, they can make their countries work. They can make their countries work. Their people, if they want money from the bank, they can go and get their money from the bank. If their people want something to eat, it's there. You know, if they want to send their children to school, if they're sick, they can go to the hospital and everything. That's the Zimbabwe that I want. I want that Zimbabwe for myself. I want that Zimbabwe for my 95-year-old father. So it doesn't work to my advantage to have AIPA on the books. So the very first thing that would happen is we would get rid of AIPA, of POSA, of all these ridiculous laws that criminalize you know, the exercise of one's constitutional rights. Number one.